Today I am going to unbox one luggage bag which is coming from MI, and it is very lightweight, sturdy and durable. So let us unveil the product quickly. There are two variants are luggage bag are available from MI. One is 24 and one is 20, and this is 24 blue color. In the 24 inches, color available are two, that is grey and blue, and for the 20 three colors are available, that is red, grey, blue, but it is now 24 blue. So open it. Now you can see the good wrapping of this product as given by MI. Now see on this handle, it is MI branding, and at the side also there is a handle, and this time this is also it is written branding of this MI, and this handle is given for carrying like a briefcase. Now the characteristics of this luggage bag is that it is very sturdy. Actually you can see, if you see the surface of this bag, there is a strip and groove strip groove reinforcement is there for better sturdiness. And also you can see this material, actually this cell is made up of polycarbonate material, and this polycarbonate material is produced by popular brand, that is the German brand. This German brand name is Makrolon. So this is very sturdy polycarbonate cell given by the MI company, and also it is 3 composite layer inside it. If you see closely, this honeycomb design, you see each and every portion, it is a honeycomb design, because this honeycomb design protect this bag from any type of wear and tear in the day-to-day life. And now go to the handle. So this is 4 adjustment of the alloy handles. So if you just press it, so this is the first height adjustment. Next press it, second height adjustment. Now press it, third height adjustment. Now press it, fourth height adjustment. So it is made up of aluminium alloy. Now come to the locking system of this product. You can see it is a lock. Unlike other brand, it is a special lock, and it is a now numeric lock obviously, but it is a TSA approved lock. That means Transportation Security Administration of US. If you anytime travel in US, then the security personnel will search your bag, and at that time they will break that. But actually if you TSA approved lock, they have a special key and they will operate this bag, search this bag without breaking this lock. So it is very important. This is a TSA approved lock. Now come to the wheels. You see this is a dual spinner wheels. You can see it is made up of TP material. It is also very sturdy, and it is noise minimizing. So it will create very low noise, and at the same time it is shock absorbent material. You can easily move it over a gravel and also carpet when it is very loaded very easily. So this is the, you can see 360 degree movement is possible very easily even when it is heavily loaded. And this is the 4.1 kg bag. It is very lightweight. If you compare the other brands, it is very lightweight. Now we will show you the inner side of this bag, of this luggage bag. So open it. Now you can see this is the inner side of this bag. This is a bucket, and inner side of this bag is made up of polyester material. One MI luggage bag, 24-61 cm user manual is given by the MI company. Now see, this is another compartment. There is a second compartment is there. This is second compartment. You can keep some items separately by this compartment very easily. So this is MI luggage bag 24. It is very sturdy. Now we'll show you how sturdy this bag is. You can keep it on this. You can see it is just depressed. You can see it will regain itself. So it is very good for your sturdiness. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to share, subscribe my video. Thank you.